smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Beginning of day 4, 4 or 5 degrees. Just walking back to where I start again. Good morning. Day 4, the Comberton twinning trek. This will all be in central West London. I'm hoping it'll be quite a bit through parks, but I imagine I'm going to do quite a lot of pavement walking. It's a slightly shorter day today. Yesterday was about 26 miles, so that's quite a long day. So hopefully this one would be a bit shorter. But in any case, let's see where the day takes us. London has a remarkable number of parks and open spaces. This is Whetstone Park, I think it's called that, in London Borough of Barnet. A bridge in a town centre. This little piece here is called the active kilometre, and they mark out 250-metre segments and give you exercises to do. Walking through a community allotment. Right in the middle of London. College Farm there at the end are all their horses. Crossing the North Circular. It appears back on the Capital Ring again. I think going back under the North Circular, having crossed it on foot. It's early, but we do seem to be going from little park to little park. Although everything's on concrete, so it's still pretty hard on the feet. But this one is called Brent Park. Not every path is through a park. I think I've got a mile following this road. It's called the Hendon Way. Best to get on the other side of the road for something that's happening in a half mile or so. It's not great walking by roads the whole way, but this is the way to get through London. Of course, London has so many churches. It's quite a nice one, right on the corner. Going through some housing estates in Kilburn. Got the new ones on the left and the old ones on the right. Portobello Market. Some pavements are different to others. London Borough of Kensington and Chelsea. Yeah, money. A very interesting church tower. Shepherd's Bush Road. There have been a few road redirections for traffic. It's fairly quiet, as befits London. This is Hammersmith Bridge, closed to traffic. I think it's been closed to traffic for a long, long time. And 8 with a coach. Blimey. Walking across Hammersmith Bridge. And then after Hammersmith Bridge, just turn and get onto the Thames path. It's at low tide at the moment. Another lovely heron at low tide. I used to row years and years and years ago. We heard of Steve Fairburn. Wow, he has a monument. Fulham Football Ground, owned by somebody who owns an American football franchise. This is a lovely walk along the Thames. Gravelly, but still beautiful and different. The challenge of a big river rowing club is you have to carry your boat all the way down to the river. All the various London boat clubs, including schools.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.